Are your legs feeling weaker, wobblier, or more tired after 60? Struggling to get up the stairs or stand for even a short time? Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Weak legs are not just normal aging. They're your body's red flag, a warning that you're losing strength, blood flow, or vital nutrients fast. Ignore it, and you risk devastating falls, losing your independence, or worse. But the great news? Once you know the real hidden causes, you can turn it around quickly and get your strong, steady legs back. Today I'm revealing the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60, and exactly what to do before it's too late. This is for educational purposes only, and is not medical advice. Reason number 5. Natural muscle wasting, sarcopenia. From the moment you hit 30, your body slowly starts losing muscle. After 60, this speeds up dramatically. It's called sarcopenia. Without action, you can lose up to 30 to 40% of your muscle by age 80. That's why your thighs and calves look thinner, your legs feel heavy, and a short walk wipes you out. Fix it. Start simple strength moves, wall push-ups, seated leg raises, or resistance band workouts. Eat plenty of protein every single day: chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils. Even 10 to 15 minutes of brisk walking daily keeps those leg muscles active and growing again. Reason number 4. Blocked blood flow, peripheral artery disease, PAD. Cold feet? Numbness? Cramps in your calves that ease when you rest? That's often poor circulation caused by narrowed arteries. When your legs don't get enough oxygen-rich blood, they become tired, achy, and dangerously weak. Fix it. Walk every single day. Even marching in place at home counts. Stay well hydrated, cut back on salty foods, and try warm foot baths or gentle leg massages. Elevate your legs when resting. If pain keeps coming back, see your doctor. Untreated PAD raises heart attack and stroke risk. Reason number 3. Damaged nerves, peripheral neuropathy. Burning, tingling, pins and needles, or feeling like you're walking on cotton. That's nerve damage, and it affects millions of people over 60, especially if blood sugar has been high or you're low on vitamin B12. Left alone, it destroys balance and leads to nasty falls. Fix it. Keep blood sugar stable. Load up on B12 foods, eggs, salmon, fortified cereals, spinach, and cut excess alcohol. Daily gentle foot and leg massages help wake up those nerves. Persistent numbness or burning? Get it checked. Early treatment works wonders. Reason number 2. Lower back and spine issues, sciatica, herniated discs, stenosis. Your legs don't get weak on their own. They're controlled by nerves coming from your lower spine. A slipped disc, arthritis, or years of bad posture can pinch those nerves, causing sudden leg weakness, shooting pain, or one leg giving way. Fix it. Do gentle spine-friendly stretches daily: knee to chest, cat-cow, seated twists. Never sit longer than 30 minutes without standing up. Use a lumbar pillow or roll towel when sitting. A healthy spine equals strong legs. Reason number 1. Missing key minerals, low magnesium and potassium. Random cramps at night? Shakiness? Legs that feel like jelly out of nowhere? Your muscles need magnesium and potassium to contract and relax properly. Diuretics, poor diet, or dehydration can drain these minerals fast. Fix it. Eat potassium champs, bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach. Get magnesium from pumpkin seeds, almonds, dark chocolate, yes, really, and leafy greens. Drink water all day. Bonus: soak in a warm Epsom salt bath 2 to 3 times a week. Your skin absorbs extra magnesium and cramps disappear. Take control right now. Weak legs are your body begging for help. Don't wait for a fall to force you into action. Start today with these easy steps. Move every single day. Even 5 minutes counts. Eat protein plus colorful fruits and veggies at every meal. Drink water like it's your job. Fix your posture and stretch your back. Walk daily to pump fresh blood to your legs. Your strong, steady legs are waiting to come back. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with every friend or family member over 60 who wants to stay active and independent. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 reasons shock you the most? I read every single one. See you in the next video. Stay strong.